Students, when you respire, you take in oxygen, don't you? Can you tell me where you get the oxygen from?
From the atmosphere.
Our Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. This thick layer of air is known as the atmosphere. Different kinds of gases are found in the atmosphere.
Oxygen is one of them.
Students, you all take in the oxygen gas from the atmosphere and exhale the carbon dioxide gas out into the atmosphere. Like you, when a dog respires, it takes in oxygen from the atmosphere and exhales out the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. When a tiger respires, it takes in oxygen from the atmosphere and exhales out the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. When a plant respires, it also uses the oxygen from the atmosphere and exhales out the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
During respiration, all the living organisms use oxygen from the atmosphere and exhale carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
When living things take in oxygen from the atmosphere, the amount of oxygen gas in the atmosphere should decrease, isn't it? Similarly, when living things throw out the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere should increase, shouldn't it? But actually, the amount of the oxygen gas and the carbon dioxide gas always remain the same in the atmosphere. Have you ever wondered how this is possible?
Because of plants.
Yes, because of the plants. The amount of the oxygen gas and the carbon dioxide gas always remain the same in the atmosphere. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and throw out the oxygen.
So, the process of photosynthesis is just opposite to the process of respiration.
During photosynthesis, the quantity of the oxygen in the atmosphere, which has decreased during the respiration of living organisms, again increases. And the quantity of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which has increased during the respiration of living organisms, again decreases.
This makes the quantity of oxygen and the carbon dioxide the same.
Hence, the process of photosynthesis helps to balance the quantity of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is vital for survival of all living things. Dear students, now let me recall what we have learned so far. Only green plants can prepare their food. A leaf prepares food for the plant. A leaf uses water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight to prepare food for the plant. The process of food preparation is called photosynthesis.
Leaves are also known as the food factories of plants.
A plant uses its starch to get energy and to perform various functions. A plant stores the unused starch in the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and the seeds. Both the plants and the animals use the starch stored in different parts of the plant as their food.
During respiration, living things take in oxygen gas from the atmosphere and exhale the carbon dioxide gas out into the atmosphere.
But during photosynthesis, the plants take in carbon dioxide and throw out oxygen.